Hey everybody. All right, so in the category of who knew, I just discovered that many cars have air filters for the cabin. In other words, the air conditioning and the heating has an air filter. And here in Southern California, where it hardly ever rains, we have so much particulate in the air. I've just driven cross country, so I think mine's bound to be vile. So I've got this air filter from online, and I'm going to go out, and behind the glove box of the car apparently is where this thing goes. So let's go out and, do some stuff. Okay, so the air conditioning filter is located behind the glove box here. This is, I think, similar to many cars. This is a 2014 Toyota Sienna, but it's all-wheel drive, so that makes it cooler. Open the glove box. There is a swing arm here that we pop off, and we're going to squeeze in the sides of the glove box to disengage these claws here. There's one, two, and let's see if I can see it or not, if you guys can see it. Pull off the whole glove box so we don't spill all our stuff. And then I'm going to bring this camera in here. So right in here we have the housing for the filters. So we're going to open up the two sides here and here. Pull out the box, put in a new one. Alright, so here is the housing. What we're going to do is squish in these two tabs on either side. So I get my fat fingers out of the way here and pull it out. It's hard to do here. I'm going to just see if I can get it with one hand holding the camera. Hold on, I'm going to zoom in here. Here we go. There's the cover, and there is the filter. So, that is filthy compared to that. All right, now I'm going to put the new one, take it out of its bag, I'm going to drop it in here, and we're going to put it back together. All right, so we have an orientation here which shows us the airflow, and on the old one it actually tells us that is up as well. So there we go. Put the cover back on. All right, now we're going to hook our glove box up onto here. It'll swing up, lock, the claws will lock past their spot here. Reattach the swing arm. Bob's your uncle. There we go. Snap this swing arm back on. Boom. And that guy goes away. All right. Later.